Ling. I worked with a bank in the banking industry for the last 20 years. But in my day-to-day work, I never get a chance to, actually, it's not related, stock market related at all. So a lot of people they always think that, oh, you work in a bank, so you're very good at these kind of things. But the truth is, if you're working in something totally different, you never get a chance to learn. And the reason why I wanted to learn more about stock market trading is because some people I know who have been working all these years, then they can retire very early and they still manage to enjoy a very comfortable lifestyle. And that made me curious, so I wanted to know more. And always when you ask them, they were like, oh yeah, they don't really tell you exactly what happens, because sometimes I think they are also not very, they probably don't know how to explain it because they just know how to do it. Yeah. So after coming for Kathleen's half-day workshop, I felt that the way she was explaining how the whole process is going to be like when you attend the workshop, it was very clear, very precise, and so I decided to sign up. Well, of course, if I could achieve what a lot of the coaches here have achieved, which is to achieve not location freedom, time freedom, financial freedom, that would be the ultimate goal. But end of the day, to be able to create a good side income, second stream of income, I think that will be my first step. Eventually, if I do retire, I don't want to be wasting the next 20 years of my life. If let's say I retire at 60, then what am I going to do? I just want something else to be able to keep my mind active. So of course a lot of people say, oh, after you retire you can travel and do all the fun stuff, but I think there's more to it. For me, it's make sure that you keep your mind active so that you can your brain doesn't degenerate so fast. The knowledge has been wonderful. I mean, the knowledge sharing and also things I've learned is something that I don't think I've ever expected it to be broken down in such detailed steps. And it's very easily, I can follow it easily. So, my sister, who has no stock trading background at all, she also found it very easy to follow it and to just follow the steps, follow the rules, and being able to be led to practice at the paper trading platform. I thought that was actually very helpful as well, because it's a very safe environment where we could go in and just practice what we have learned without having to risk any capital. Because a lot of people associate trading or share trading as something that's risky, but they are. If you follow what Beyond Insights have put in, the rules and everything, you don't have to worry about this to such a big extent. You will never get the same experience, because I think the hands-on experience, especially the tutorials and the Facebook support page that you have, is very valuable. That is the platform where you get to actually learn from each other, and also the updates that all the senior coaches have put in, including Kathleen. I noticed that she do post some updates once in a while, and I thought that was actually, and it's very spontaneous as well. So it's like something happens and immediately, even for her, she posts something in the middle of the night. So I thought that was, those kind of updates have been very helpful in helping us look at the charts, look at what's happening in the market. So that, I think that is very helpful, and that's something that you cannot get just from YouTube or learning online. And the tutorials, really teaches us step by step how to look at the charts. And so I think all these are the things that you can put a value to, honestly. And another thing I felt that was very helpful and encouraging is that you also have refresher courses, and so it's not just a one-off. So in the event I do need future support,